But let's say we want to loop through every cell. We want to do something with the cells. Let's say you want to turn those cells from a range object into an array, which is something that we will do later. That's a very important function for doing a lot of great things. But first we have to know how to iterate through each of those cells. So here we are going to loop through each cell. We are going to use our good friend, the for each loop, and we're going to say for each cell in range dot cells. So that range dot cells returns a range that contains all of the cells. So it returns like an array of those cells that we can then loop through and do some amazing things. Now to end our for each loop, we put next. Okay, so now in here, we are going to do something with each cell. And what I want to do for now is just message box cell dot value, because each of those cells in this range dot cells is a cell. So cell information here, we could take the address, column, row, formula. I want to do value. Now we haven't looked into that yet. That is in our later series, our later complete guide, when we talk about actually modifying them. But cell.value will give you the value of that cell, and then we can message box that out. So let's take a look. Get in there, that way we just run R1C1, R1C2, R1C3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, R2. So what you might be noticing is that we are actually looping through each row by column. So we go through each row first.